I'm Danine Green. I'm a personal chef and a caterer, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a cilantro aioli. You'll start with 2 cups of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of cumin, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, 1/4 cup of cilantro, the juice from 1 lemon, and salt to taste. We're going to start by putting our mayo into the bowl. Add the garlic and lemon juice and blend. You want to blend until it's smooth. You'll add your cumin and your cilantro and a pinch of salt. And stir until everything's incorporated. You may need to adjust your salt for flavor depending on how salty you like it. And there you have beautiful cilantro aioli. I'm Danine Green. Thank you.